Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. How to sign out from Netflix account. First of all, double check if the app needs to be updated so you won't face any crashes or something like that while using Netflix app. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just open up my browser, and here, as you can see, if you want to sign up from Netflix, just go ahead and launch the Netflix app, and once you are on the home screen, navigate over to the left, open Netflix main menu, and then select get help from the list of options, select sign out, and then choose yes when asked to confirm this decision. If you want a quick demonstration on how it's done, you're gonna be able to see, get help, and basically in the get help section, you're gonna be able to see sign out button, and you're gonna be able they hit the button in that section, and you're gonna be able to sign out. Or if you're using mobile device, go ahead to your click more or the three bars at the below right corner, and then you're gonna be able to see the app setting, my list, and you're gonna be able to see sign out, and you're gonna be able to get back, or sorry, to get out from the Netflix account. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on social media, and see you in the next one.